So hi everyone. After was saying BPT is a test which is pretty much hard, and we were having a high demand of BPT question, okay, and its explanation. So in this series of video, we have come up with three videos where we are going to discuss LR logical reasoning part for the BPT and co-cubes. So understand the logic and comment down your answers. I have also explained answer of every question. Okay, so pause the video, give your answer in the comment box, then watch the video. Do not skip and understand the logic. Okay, thanks so much. Watch the video fully. So as in many video, we have talked about Deloitte and its hiring process. Okay, what is the hiring process? We go through the Versant. Okay, then we go to through the BPT. Okay, the Business Proficiency Test, which is called Co-cubes also, and finally we go for interview. Okay, the interview. So in this video, we are going to talk about the BPT part, okay, that is, and where we are having three section, that is LR, logical reasoning, okay, where we are going to talk about in this video series, okay. Then we are having accounting, okay, finance. Then we are having the Excel part, okay. We have already talked about the Versant in the menus video of previous, okay. So make sure you are watching the previous video which where I have talked about the Versant and I have given the live test, okay. And interview also they are having a lot of videos. So let's talk about the logical reasoning part in this video, okay. So we are having 9 questions in this video, so let's get started and solve one by one what, and I will explain logic, and I will also give you the time to solve and the answers of every question so that you can relate it with the logic, okay. So let's get started with the first question. First question says mark the odd one out from the given option. Okay, we are having four options here: seminar, semicolon, semifinal, and semicircle. Okay, the answer is A, seminar, because this is the odd. How this is possible? Okay, we see that we are having three options semi, which says half. Okay, semicolon, semifinal, semicircle. Okay, but in seminar we don't have such semi. Seminar is means seminar. Okay, and here we are having two different kind of words. Okay, so first one is the answer. A is the answer over here for the first question. Let's get started with the second question. So second question says mark the word odd one out from the given option. So pause the video and see which is the answer. Okay, do not cheat and literally give you a chance to solve this question by on your own. Okay, so I will wait for 2 seconds. Okay, so let's talk about the answer. The question says odd one out, so cat, goat, cow, sheep. Okay, I hope you will get this question very straightly because this is very simple question. Okay, so what do you think, what is the answer for it? So answer is simple. The answer is cat, because B, C, D are cattle. Okay, and cat is not a cattle, so answer will be A. Okay, the answer will be A, that is cat. Okay, so let's move out to the other question, guys. Okay, so here is the third question, odd one out. So pause the video and think about the question very politely, okay, in a decent manner. Okay, we are having the option father, mother, brother, and wife. Which is the odd one out? Okay, giving you 2 seconds. Okay, the answer is very simple, guys. Okay, the answer for third question will be wife. Okay, the D. The reason is pretty much simple. For the first three options, father, mother, okay, and brother, are blood relation. Okay, they are blood relation. Okay, but the fourth answer, wife, she is not a blood relation. Okay, that is why, okay, we are having the fourth, D is the correct answer as a answer. So if you got a third question right, okay, you have answered three questions rightly. Congratulations to you. Okay, so let's move out to the fourth question. Okay, so fourth question is something tricky, so think about it. Okay, we'll pause the video for 2 seconds and think about the answer, then come back to me. The question says find the missing term in the series below. Okay, so let's see the question what it is saying. Okay, we are having option like 27, 34, 48, 69, question mark 132, and we are having four options. Now think about the logic here. Okay, logic should be there. Okay, now we are having internal interval of 7, means 7 table to so 7, 14, 21. So what will be the next? 28. Okay, if we add 69, okay, if we add 69 plus 28, the answer will be what? Think, the answer will be 97. Okay, so the D, fourth option is correct, because in this question we are having a difference of 7. Okay, 7 again plus 7 again plus 7, means table of 7. Pretty much easy. So always remember, every question has the logic behind it, so think about it and then answer it. Okay, so let's move to the fifth question, guys. Again, in fifth question also we are having a similar kind of question. Okay, so we are having question mark here. Again, there is a difference. Okay, 8, 20, 40, 20, 100, but there is no consistent difference. Okay, but this question is pretty much easy, because if we see, it is a multiplication of 5. Okay, 8 into 5 is 40. Okay, 20 into 5 is 100. Okay, now 50 into 5 will be how much? It will be 250. So answer for fifth is A. The answer is A. I hope this was pretty much easy. And till now, if you got every question right, then congratulations to you. You are on the right path, because questions are too easy. Okay, but yes, it has the logic. That is why it is called logical reasoning. So let's go to the sixth question of the series. Okay, again we are having a similar kind of question where there is a question mark. We have to find that digit, but this question is pretty much easy, so I'm going to pause for 3 seconds. Okay, now you think about the answer and tell me with the logic in the comment box. Okay, right, let's talk about the logic. Okay, we are having 34, 29, 25. So understand the logic. Okay, if we minus 5, it will become 29. If we minus 4, it will become 25. Okay, if we minus 3, it will become 22. Now how much we will minus? Okay, we will minus 2. Minus 2 out of 22 will become 20. So answer is C, 20. Very much simple. Hope you have got this question right, because this is very easy question out of the all the questions. Okay, so let's move out to the seventh question, which says, again the seventh question is pretty much easy. Okay, we are again having a difference of something. So what is the difference? Okay, so we are having a difference of, it is very simple question, guys. You should get the answer. Okay, though you pause the video and get back to the answer will be, okay, let's talk about the logic first. Logic is very simple. They are subtracting 1.4, sorry, 0. I'm extremely sorry, 0.4 out of every number. Okay, so if we subtract 0.4 out of 1.9, it will become 1.5. So our answer is D. Okay, this is the very pretty much easy question for you guys. Okay, so hope you have got the answer right for it. Okay, so let's move out to the eighth question, which says, so guys, this question can be tricky. Okay, we are not having a similar kind of logic here. Okay, so they are asking for missing term. Okay, so let's get to the answer. Okay, we are having 6. Okay, we are having 6, 8, 10, 12, okay, 16, 20, okay, and so on. So let's get to the answer. So if we see, it is pretty much simple, because if we do this like this, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 5 is 10. Now here it says 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 4 is 16, 4 into 5 is 20. Now after 20, again very much simple, okay, 5 into 3 is 15 and 5 into 5 is 25. So the missing will be 5 into 4. So the answer will be simple, it will be 20. The option which has 20 is B. Hope this is pretty much simple for you guys. So till now if you got every question right, then bingo, you are on the right path. So let's get back to the ninth question, which says, so guys, the ninth question is pretty much hard, okay, not hard, but always remember, when you are giving the real test, okay, and when you are stuck in some question, the most good part of the Deloitte test is you can get back to the other question, okay, you can skip this question and you can go to the different section also, and when you have the time you can come back and answer the same question, okay. If you don't get the time, you can leave that question, okay, because we are having the negative marks also. But do not waste your much time on one question, okay. So like this is pretty much tricky question, okay. We are having four options, okay, that MLK, PON, GIH, SQR, JFE, and we have to find the further missing terms, okay. The answer will be, which I will reveal later, but let's get back to the logic, okay. If you see the last term, that is EFG, it is a alphabet, right? EFG, HIJ, KLM, okay. EFG, HIJ, MLK, okay. Do you know the sequence? Do you remember the sequence? So for this, write down ABCD on your paper, okay. Make sure you are having paper. Write down ABCD on your paper and match it, okay. So we are having the logic here: EFG, JIH, MLK, okay. Again, PON, SRQ, next what? TUV, right? So the option A will be the answer, because we are having TUV, which will come to the sequence. So such kind of question, always use pen and copy and write ABCD on it very fastly, okay, and then match it with the sequence. So hope you got every question right. This was the final question for the video one, okay. We will begin with other question of logical reasoning in a different video, okay. Till now, repeat this video, watch again and understand the logic, okay. And always remember guys, when you are sitting for BPT, always have pen and copy with you, so that you can rough on the blank page and you can get answer correctly, okay. Wish you all the best. Let's meet in the other video for different round of questions of logical reasoning. Thank you so much. If you got any question, you can comment down and ask me any doubt, okay. And make sure you are giving the answer of every question, okay, without seeing it in the comment section, okay. Wish you all the best guys. Thank you so much, okay. If you liked our channel, please do like, subscribe and comment your answers. Thanks so much guys.